Here in Aberdeen drag strip, May 15th. Grudge Explosion. Little Hood Rat and John Woods, Big Hood Rat and Squirrel putting on this show today. Squirrel. The man himself, Squirrel. Holly Springs. Running Little Hood Rat. Only man brave enough to run the man. John Woods up in here tonight in the new ride from Holly Springs, Mississippi. Little Hood Rat. Man, bring it on, goddamn somebody. Little Flip, where are you? Damn hitman out of Birmingham. Hellboy, Killer Coop, Teen Coop. Got a Chevy stain up in the damn house tonight. Over here in Aberdeen. Hell City up in here. But he don't need no damn notches to whoop these damn boys' ass tonight. True sleeper. Aberdeen. Swine flu, one-leg robber, where you at? Street car. Damn, Janet Jackson. Shit. Wow. Damn. Damn it, boy. Much shit the damn humps for Alabama boy talking some shit. So they want some of a story race. About 2 cars. Pull into it, they say street car, no damn thing. Said one got a goddamn air conditioner on. Goddamn Mississippi versus Alabama.
Your boy just said the hit, we'll take the hit. I tell you what, look, turn up the loop. Your boy, can y'all turn us loose in that little car in the trailer?
Yeah, we can turn y'all loose. Going toward goddamn Alabama. And turn y'all loose all y'all want.
I'm just saying.
Goddamn Mississippi wants something.
Street car, turn that motherfucker loose. You scared?
Y'all want head up.
Y'all on slicks, man. We don't transmit.
Y'all want them slicks. We ain't about them.
Y'all scared, man. When y'all want to race, you know what I mean? Man, we told you earlier when you came on, y'all don't think we're going to give you the other lane.
We give you the other lane. We ain't getting away shit with the lane.
No, I got it.
God damn. Alabama done come out full force tonight. Mississippi backing down. Georgia, you gonna back down too.
And what?